এতিয়া তাইখন পোষ্টাৰ খান বনাবলৈ আৰু বাস্কেট বনাবলৈ এনেই টাইম লগা হিচাপ পৰা ছোট ছোট বনাবলৈ দি আছে এনে তাইখন কি বেছিক কৰিবলৈ দি আছে আৰু এতিয়া তাইখন বেছি ভাল পৰা চিলাই আছে
I'm learning this for the first time, but it's very interesting that I'm learning this.
With the banana fiber. That's a mirror. Mirror.
Hi, I'm making a bracelet. Then I'm learning from our ma'am. I don't know how to explain, but we just need a rope and then some beads, and that's how we make it. I'm just making an earrings. It's a very good experience. I am really new to this field. It's very good.
I'm not making anything special. I'm just, since the beads are running out, I'm just trying to make anything that comes out of this with this combination. So I guess this is a necklace. Yeah. So yeah, let's see how the end product will be. But yeah, it's a fun project, and then we're learning a lot, especially with the color combinations and the skills of tying, all of that. So I think everyone is having a good time. Thank you.
It's a good experience. We are enjoying it. And I hope it's a good initiative. I think our students are having a good learning experience.
I've made a couple of earrings, couple of bracelets. It's been a very fruitful day. Total, I made one phone charm, one bracelet, and 3 or 4 pen drive holder. It was an interesting day. Thank you.
The stones, and then use this thread and then tie it like this. These are bracelets. I made bracelets and earrings today, and even this. So it looks so difficult, but once you learn, it's easy. And I'm so excited that I'll be making many more.
We are currently making a crochet. This is my first time experience.
Started with a slip knot and we are making a chain right now.
Hi, I'm making a collar for my gate. So this is the process. Almost done. I am making a small pouch for my earbuds. Very grateful for this opportunity. I'm able to learn something new. It's very shapeless, but I hope to improve. Okay, so the one I'm doing is just basic. I tried to make a box just to keep my cup, but it's not coming in shape also. But
I'm trying to wrap up now, and I don't know if I can take it, but I'll take it home and I'll try to use it. It was a good experience, and we have learned lots, so I'm grateful and thankful. Thank you.